Facebook and Instagram ads that convert for e-com business owner. Are you doing Facebook ads in 2021? It's not easy. Maybe you're tracking one or more Facebook ads to test against your current ads. Maybe you're new to Facebook ads and want to dive into increase engagement, leads, or sales. Especially after Apple's iOS update made it harder for you to make Facebook ads. If you need to find a solution for this, then you have come to the right place. We have a solution for you to solve this problem. It's copywriting that makes customers stop scrolling to see the first impression in front of them. Many people think that Facebook ads will become harder to do. Me too. Especially after reading many articles and discussions from my colleagues in the advertising industry. I feel that is bad. Maybe we will have to divide more money for other types of advertising like Garden, YouTube, and TikTok. But after a long time, about 3 months, I discovered that this is not happening. Experts in Facebook advertising for e-commerce, like Alex Fedotov. Advertising experts for the service industry like Peng Joon has proven the opposite as shown in the picture. So I continued to learn how to adapt to this change. And I found out this could be the biggest opportunity we've seen in decades. But not for every business owner. Because this opportunity is only for the on and responsive operators. Companies that will thrive in the post-iOS world will be the ones who focus the most on what matters. Things that have weathered hundreds of storms. Give the irresistible Godfather offer. Create compelling, click-worthy ads. Offer high-converting sales copy. And increase customer lifetime value. Companies that will dominate their markets. And if you're a business owner struggling to improve ad revenue, you'll be drooling like a Doberman staring at a Porter restaurant steak right now. As more and more businesses adapt to this new advertising environment, and they realize that there are good copies, or the Godfather offer is more than just a luxury, but a necessity to keep their business alive. Look, there will be more ad inventory in the Facebook news feed. Fewer and fewer advertisers on Google. More eyeballs to capture. And more high-paying customers than we've ever seen. But if you're not all about the fundamentals, you will have a tough time. And almost all my smart 5, 6, 7 and 8 number clients are following suit. They all duplicate their clones on basic principles and expand ad spend to gain even more market share. And I want to let you take part in this opportunity, equipping you to your teeth with what's working now. Please visit here to read more about the testimonials that our customers have.